my beautiful people. Today is the 26th of February 2023 and I've got some very exciting train news to tell everybody. On the 24th of June 2023, we are celebrating 100 years of the Flying Scotsman. It is coming to a seaside near you called Great Yarmouth. It's starting from London's King's Cross and will be passing through stations on its route. It will be passing Hertford, Cambridge North and Ely, and will get into Norwich, and from Norwich to a seaside near you called Great Yarmouth. And as it reaches to Great Yarmouth, it will travel back into Norwich and back into London's King's Cross. So it's coming into Norfolk, guys. Very exciting train news to tell you everybody up there. So this is Andreas Ambassador Johnson reporting at Phil Fair and Staymarket open and out. It is a very exciting news, all train fans up there. Hope you enjoy this video, guys. I keep you posted. Thank you and good night.